What up, YouTube? Welcome to Sneakers and Shots. I'm your host, Valdez Richardson. This is your first time, hit that like and subscribe if I can get this thing popping. Also follow me across all other social media networks at Sneakers and Shots. That'll be Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, etc., etc. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get a chance at winning that Travis Scott t-shirt giveaway free. Anyway, so let's hop right into this one. Actually, yeah, let's hop right into this. Now, got a big box here. So we're doing an unboxing today. So let's cut into this bad boy. Got my tamper resistant tape, so it's safe to assume that whatever was in this box is still in this box. Actually, the box is smaller than I thought. Now, the box is like every other Yeezy that comes. It's a regular brown box. This one says Knit Runner. On the side it says Knit Runner BT, which this is the Knit Runner Boot. You got the slide out box. Let's open this thing up. It's heavier than I thought. There we go. Now the color is sulfur, but I'm thinking it's kind of sulfur and khaki. Now this is the second pair of Yeezy boots that came out within the last few weeks that give you a total different perspective on boots, really. So what we got here, we got the knit bottom, kind of like on those knit runners that came out a few weeks ago, but this knit shell is it's a little stiff, like they may have put a waterproofing chemical agent on it, because it also says designed in USA, waterproof, size 11, when the regular knit runners only came with the size tag on it. So they definitely have a bottom different, because they got a heavy duty bottom, because this is a boot. On the outside we got these Velcro straps that goes here to keep you locked down. What I don't know is about the sizing of this. When I was reading about them, they said go up a half a size. So like with most Yeezys, with the exception of the Yeezy 350, I wear 10.5, but other Yeezys I buy a size 11. But later I'm gonna do it on foot with this joint and tell you my opinion on the comfort and the sizing, because I hear the last one, the Yeezy insulated boot, you had to go up a size and a half or more, because it was so small. So Yeezys are real funny with the size. You know, these things was priced out of this world. They were priced at $400. Yeah, they were priced at $400. So this is definitely an expensive boot. This is a $400 boot. Resale market on them since they came out wide release. This size 11 is about between $480 to $500. You know, nothing major. You know, no major come up on these, but I believe that the less new pairs is out there, the value of these things will increase. They have the ultralight insole on it, and I'm glad it wasn't glued down, because I sure pulled it right out of there. So let me put that back. It feels really, it feels really snug on my hand, trying to get this insole back in this boot. So I can imagine what's it gonna be like when I get my foot in this boot because it's really, really snug on my hand. And could be, I don't, they got these two indents on the inside and out. Now, I don't know what those are those just design aspects of it, or those for functionality. I don't know yet because I haven't had my foot in it. And like I said before, they got this heavy duty sole because this is a hiking boot. I'm going to assume it's a hiking boot because it's not as insulated as the last pair. The last pair looked more like a snow boot. This one feels more like a hiking boot. They have a lot of padding in the inside around where your heel and ankle would go. So that's going to be a very, very snug fit around this heel and ankle area. And it's not as tall. It don't have that. It don't lean forward like the insulated one. So it's got a more standard stance when it comes to boots. But I do like that Yeezy is definitely pushing the envelope when it comes to design aspects, because it's giving you something totally different than what's already in the market. And these right here are kind of low-key fire. Now, I didn't think I would like them because I was like, this is just super weird. And I definitely did not like the Yeezy Knit Runners. I thought it looked like I can't explain anything. It looked too much like that that old Kobe. I can't think of it when Kobe was with Adidas. It might have been the ones or something. The Kobe one, like it sure looked like a space boot. So, hey, look, what are your opinions on these? Leave the comments down below because I'm definitely curious how people feel about these. But these definitely got some weight to them. So I think the quality on these is gonna be pretty good. They got the Adidas 3 stripes on the back. Oh, do I see Yeezy on here anywhere? The only place I see Yeezy on here is on the insole. Other than that, there's hardly any Yeezy branding on this particular shoe. And like I was saying before, so you got, like I say, you got the knit, which covers the whole foot part of it, and they got like maybe a waterproofing chemical on it that makes this knit a little bit stiff. It's a little bit rigid, probably a little more rigid than the knit runners. But actually, it's a definitely unique shoe, and I'm gonna do a on foot just to show you what I really think about this. All right, so here we got them on. You can either get them with, you can either strap them like I got it on this side, you know, which is pretty cool, or you can give it a different look. If you have them unstrapped over here, you definitely don't want to try to put no jeans across it, because that definitely won't work out at all. Another thing with these, the half a size up actually does come to play when you put on these. So they definitely go a half a size up with these. Don't go true to size. Go a half a size up, especially if you have wide feet, because they are just a little bit snug. And my toe is basically right here on this top here, and I generally wear 10.5, but these are here size 11, so go a half a size up with these. They're not as heavy on feet as they look. They definitely got a nice big bulky look to them, but they're not heavy at all. They're actually surprisingly light. Okay, all right, I'm back. I'm glad y'all enjoyed that on foot. Probably not what I would have wore with it if I was actually wearing these, but hopefully I provided enough information for you to decide that if this shoe worth the $400 price tag. Let me know, you know. And is it worth all the hype? Because it's sold out, boom, like that. Just like pretty much anything Yeezy put out, it's basically gone, boom, just like that. So like I said before, hit that like, subscribe, follow me across all other social media networks. Thanks for watching. Peace. See you next time.
Bitch. jaw. You done lost your marble. On the game, you BBT locker jaw.